Hi everyone, welcome to today's virtual tour on Intamsys Funmat Pro 410 3D printer. My name is Deep Singh. I'm the VP of Advanced Manufacturing here at CAD Micro Solutions. So let's start today's augmented and virtual tour. I'm using a virtual headset to give you guys a point of view of what I'm looking at. So in front of me we have a high temperature printing machine, and this allows us to print materials like PEEK, PEC, Altem, PPSU, nylons, and even the commodity plastics like the PLA, ABS, and so on. Really a well-built machine, diverse. We're going to go through some of the features on this right now. So as I open the door, inside you can see a really nice build chamber. This build chamber is designed to retain the heat. So it's a heated chamber. We can go up to 90 degrees Celsius in this chamber. The build platform goes up to about 160 degrees C, and the temperature on the extruders can go up to 500 degrees Celsius. Really nice dust collector or filament waste collector in the back with a flicker and wired brushes. This allows you to keep your nozzles clean during the printing process. The collector is also 3D printed, so really nice use of additive technology. Underneath here we have heated filament chamber. This allows us to keep our materials away from the moisture by keeping the filaments under heated control. You can see more printed parts, so Intamsys has done a great job at utilizing additive manufacturing where it makes sense to consolidate parts, to keep things nice and clean. So this chamber here is independently temperature controlled, allows you to print materials there that could be hydroscopic when they're exposed outside for great printability. You will also see that there's some Borden tubes here. So the transportation of filament as they exit to the print head, they're all travel through the Borden tube, so that way they're not exposed to the moisture throughout. At the back, there is a liquid cooling station, which allows you to cool down your print heads using liquid cooling process. That allows you to take your 500 degrees Celsius nozzles to lower the temperatures down when you're printing in subsequent layers or different materials. Okay. From the top, you have everything that you need in terms of when you need to access for maintenance, for repair, that sort of stuff. More 3D printed parts. There's some brackets here. You can see these white brackets with remove labels. These are shipping brackets. So when the machine is shipped, so that things are not moving inside, there's some printed parts. The cover in front for the print head is also 3D printed. It looks like it's chopped carbon fiber with nylon type of material. The traveling rails are linear rails for precision. You have essentially LED lights to light up the room when you're looking inside. More printed parts. This is your touch interface when you're loading, unloading your files or you're monitoring temperatures. You have liquid cooling pipes that are traveling to the print head. You have the Borden tubes. So overall, really contained, simple, really nice design. On the back side, you have a panel. Underneath the panel, you have a meter indicator that lets you see how much fluid you have. So if you need to change your liquid coolant, or if it's low in level, you can identify that at the back. You have your power connection, you have your Ethernet, and your printer port. The machine comes fully certified, has SGS recognition, so it's certified for the Canadian electrical authorities. It's really a plug-and-play solution. Overall, a nice, decent build. Okay, so there you have it. A quick virtual tour of the Funmat Pro 410 high temperature 3D printer.